Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to thank you for the opportunity given to us to present to you all about unity and coherence and essay writing, a topic that I hope will interest and inspire you with our presentation. The material in this presentation was prepared by myself, Rahmani Ananda, and my friend Miftahul Jannah. So, without much further ado, let's watch it. For the first, I want to tell you about definition of unity. Unity is when every sentence and paragraph in your essay supports and contributes to a central idea or thesis statement. This ensures that all parts of your essay work together to convey one main idea. Benefit of unity is writing with unity allows your readers to easily understand your message and the purpose of your essay. This creates a strong foundation upon which you can build to develop your ideas coherently. Then, how to make a clear thesis statement? A clear thesis statement in a unity essay is a concise and specific statement that presents the main argument or central theme of the essay. It is typically located in the introduction and serves as the roadmap for the reader, outlining the main points or arguments that will be discussed in the essay. Here are some characteristics of a clear thesis statement in a unity essay. First, the thesis statement should be clear and to the point, expressed in a single sentence. Second, specific. The thesis statement should clearly state the main argument or central theme of the essay. Third, the thesis statement should clearly indicate the scope and direction of the essay. Fourth, the thesis statement should present a claim or position that can be supported with evidence and reasoned arguments. 5. The thesis statement should be supported by evidence and example throughout the essay. Next is relevant supporting details. In the context of unity and essay writing, relevant supporting details refer to the specific evidence, example, facts, and data that are directly related to and support the central theme or main idea of the essay. These details help to strengthen the arguments. Here are some considerations for including relevant supporting details in an essay. First, alignment with the central theme. Ensure that the supporting details directly relate to and reinforce the central theme or main idea of the essay. Second, provide specific details that help to clarify and illustrate the main points being made. Third, use reliable and credible sources to back up your arguments and claims, such as academic research, statistics, expert opinions, or real-life examples. Fourth, include supporting details that are directly relevant to the main argument or point being made. 5. Include a variety of evidence types, such as facts, example, anecdotes, or questions. 6. Integrate the supporting details smoothly into the essay by providing appropriate context and explanation. Next, let's talk about coherence. Coherence ensures that your essay is easy to read and understand by organizing your ideas in a logical and understandable way. This is done by using transitional words and phrases, clear topic sentence, and logical sequencing of ideas. Coherence in essay writing means making your ideas logically and clearly. Here are some ways to achieve coherence. The first, introduction. Start with a clear thesis statement, introduce the topic, and provide background information. The second, body paragraph. The each paragraph should focus on one idea supporting the thesis with a topic sentence, evidence, example, and analysis. The third, transitional words. Using transitional words like however, in addition, to connect ideas and make them easier to follow. The fourth, clear development. Ensure each paragraph builds on the previous one logically, avoiding a abrupt shift. And the last, conclusion. Summarize main points and restate the thesis, offering final thoughts. To make your essay coherent, use evidence effectively. The first, use relevant, credible sources like journals, books, or experts. The second, include various evidence types like statistic, example, or quotes. The third, analyze and interpret evidence to support your argument. The fourth, use transitional words to introduce evidence. The fifth, properly cite and reference your source. The last, use evidence in moderation to avoid overwhelming your essay. That's all of the presentation material that we can convey. Hopefully it will inspire and see you in the next material. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.